Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. I skipped last week just because life happens, and I know I was really bad about uploading last week, but I'm back today. And I wanted to do a video on my fitness routine because I know a lot of you guys have DM'd me in the past and recent just asking me how to get in shape, especially when it comes to mountain biking. So if you're new to my channel, I have really bad knees. I'm not gonna get into all that, but if you look on my channel, there's a video called, I'll link it right here. It's right here. You can go watch it. But in short, I just playing soccer throughout my whole life when I was younger, I really messed up my knees really bad. So I developed chronomalacia in both my knees. That being said, I'm very limited on the type of exercises that I can do. I can't run, I can't do CrossFit, I can't, even yoga, even there's some things, in yoga that I can't do. I tore my MCL in my left knee, so I have just some things going on with that still that's just weird from that injury. So there's a lot of stuff I don't feel comfortable doing, and yoga is definitely one of them. Some of the poses and everything I just it's not good, just with ligaments and everything like that. So that's something I kind of try to stay away from now. But with that being said, that's really why I have dove hardcore into mountain biking. But I really have been struggling with trying to exercise during the weekdays because I have a 9-to-5 job, and then when I get home it's dark, so I can't ride my bike outside, and therefore I end up not exercising. I was looking into ellipticals, just you name it, all these things that I could just easily store away to get some kind of cardio. Cardio is my number one thing. That's the one thing that I really want to focus on, and it's the easiest for me to do. And if you guys are thinking, why do you not just go to the gym, Morgan? Because if I went to the gym, I would be utilizing the same stuff that I have access to in my own house. So that's why I don't go to the gym, because I'm not going to, use a lot of the other things at the gym. So why not just utilize stuff at my house? That way I don't have to leave my house when I get home. It's just a win-win for me. I got a bike trainer. And if you guys don't know what a bike trainer is, all it is pretty much taking your bike that you already have and turning it into a stationary bike. And I cannot recommend this enough, especially if you're where it's really cold right now in the winter and you're still wanting to ride and get that ride time in, but maybe it's just absolutely freezing outside and you don't want to deal with that. This is just so great. Or if you're just trying to get more time with your bike, maybe get used to the saddle, if you got a new saddle, or if you're new to mountain biking, just so many reasons. They're so small and you don't have to worry about trying to store this mammoth stationary bike. You just have your bike that you already have. And for mine, I just easily store my mountain bike, outside my balcony and cover it up. Overall, they're relatively inexpensive. I believe I purchased it for $70, $80, somewhere in that ballpark. And it's not, I'm sure you can get more that are have way more frills and everything on them, but it gets the job done, and it's just, like I said, absolutely perfect because it folds away and I can just throw it underneath my bed and I don't have to worry about it, which has been really great. Everyone's different when it comes to training and doing what works best for them. I am in no means a, professional trainer or anything like that. This is just really what works best for me. So this is what I go with. But my cardio goal is to really just be able to beeline up mountains and be able to do that without taking as many breaks. So with that in mind, I have my tension on my tire jacked. And then just to add to that, I have a 2x9. So I always keep it on the second chain ring just so it ups that tension even more for me. Start out, I always keep it on the third gear, and then I just go up from there. And then the third gear is kind of like my warm up, what I start off with, and then I go up to 5 to 7. And so I do that gradually throughout my workout when I'm doing this, and then just dropping it down. So I'll be at 5, and then I'll do that maybe for 2 minutes, and then I'll take a 30-second break, and I'll go back down to the third gear, and then I'll just keep doing that process, and then I'll go up to 7, and then do my 2 minutes, then take it back down to 5, and then that's just how I gradually build that. And I found that that's really good for me, especially just building more and more stamina, and especially just more leg muscles, so I'm able to really power up these trails that I'm wanting to get up. Honestly, I would love to be able to do this longer at night, but I get home, it all depends on traffic. I get home about 6:30, 7, somewhere around there. So it's really hard for me to dedicate a full-blown hour to this, which I would love to, and sometimes I will, depending on my mood and everything like that. But for the most part, I only do this for 35 minutes, but that's just because I'm pressed for time at night and I really want to get everything I need to get done. Also with this, I always use my Apple Watch. This is my go-to thing. I absolutely love it. So I'll set an indoor cycle workout on here so I can just really monitor my calories that I'm doing. I try to hit at least 300 calories, and that's usually, I'll hit like a little over 300 calories when I do it for 35 minutes. And I mean, it's nothing compared to the weekends when I'm actually out and about and I do outdoor cycle. I find myself, I mean, I'm burning a ton of calories. I mean, some days it'll be like 700 calories in a ride. It's crazy. So it's nothing like being outdoors still, but it's just really good to keep your cardio up and keep training. That way when you hit the weekend, you know, you've already improved some, I feel like. While we're just into this whole workout routine and everything like that, I do want to mention, guys, drink a lot of water. This is so crucial. I'm preaching to myself because I am so bad at drinking water, guys. It's just, you don't even know. If you know me well, then you know this is like my daily struggle. So what I did, I bought this, I think off Amazon for like $5, and this, everyone's different, but this is what I have to do in order to drink this amount. I did all the research, and this is what I'm supposed to, my weight and body type, this is the correct amount I'm supposed to drink in a day. And it's tough, guys. But I found if I just fill up this jug in the morning and I see like, this is what you have to drink, this is all you have to drink throughout the day, and then you're done with your water intake for the day, I can do it. But if I have like a little water bottle or something that I constantly have to keep filling up, I won't get it done. I need to visually see this and then know like by 3:30, this notch right here, I need to be right there at that notch by 3:30. I'm way past, or I'm way early today, but anyways, I can't stress to you guys enough, drink lots of water. It really helps. So that's my little water routine that I have for myself. But that is pretty much it. If any of you guys have any suggestions or anything, like I said, I am in no means a professional at all, but this is what works for me, so that's what I do. But anyways, I would love to hear you guys' tips, and also any suggestions you guys have for upcoming videos. I would love to hear your feedback down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And bye, guys!